Today, I want to explain why some volcanic eruptions are explosive and violent, while others are relatively calm. The answer comes down to one key factor: the viscosity of the magma. Viscosity is essentially how thick or resistant to flow a liquid is. Think of honey versus water. Honey has high viscosity. Water has low viscosity. Magma with low viscosity, like the basaltic lava found in Hawaii, flows easily. Gas bubbles inside it can escape gradually, so the eruption tends to be gentle. You get rivers of lava moving slowly down the mountainside. Dramatic, but not usually catastrophic. Now compare that to the thick, silica-rich magma found in volcanoes like Mount St. Helens. Because the magma is so viscous, gas gets trapped inside. Pressure builds and builds until it's finally released in a massive explosion. These eruptions can send ash clouds miles into the atmosphere and cause widespread destruction. So when scientists assess volcanic risk, one of the first things they look at is the composition of the magma. High silica content means high viscosity, which means a greater chance of an explosive eruption. Understanding this relationship has helped improve early warning systems significantly. On Friday, we'll examine some case studies of how these warning systems have worked in practice.